Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between tax-efficient dividends and tax-heavy dividends. Number 1. Tax-efficient dividends are often taxed at lower preferential rates, whereas tax-heavy dividends are often taxed at higher ordinary income tax rates. Number 2. Tax-efficient dividends are commonly found in qualified dividends and tax-advantaged funds, whereas tax-heavy dividends are commonly found in non-qualified payouts, REITs, and some high-yield dividend structures. Number 3. Tax-efficient dividends allow investors to retain more income after paying taxes, whereas tax-heavy dividends leave investors with less income after taxes. Number 4. Tax-efficient dividends are favored by long-term investors using taxable brokerage accounts, whereas tax-heavy dividends may be more suitable for investors mainly focused on pre-tax yield. Number 5. Tax-efficient dividends are more likely to meet qualified dividend rules, whereas tax-heavy dividends are more likely to be treated as non-qualified dividends. Number 6. Tax-efficient dividends often depend heavily on holding period rules, whereas tax-heavy dividends may not receive much tax benefit even if the investment is held longer. Number 7. Tax-efficient dividends create lower tax drag on portfolio returns, whereas tax-heavy dividends create higher tax drag and reduce net investment performance. Number 8. Tax-efficient dividends are often suitable for regular taxable brokerage accounts, whereas tax-heavy dividends are often better placed in tax-sheltered accounts to reduce tax pressure. Number 9. Tax-efficient dividends support stronger after-tax compounding over time, whereas tax-heavy dividends slow long-term compounding because more income is lost to taxes. Number 10. Tax-efficient dividends make reinvestment more effective because more capital remains available to work, whereas tax-heavy dividends are reinvested with a smaller after-tax amount. Number 11. Tax-efficient dividends may have a moderate headline yield but still provide an attractive net yield, whereas tax-heavy dividends may look high before tax but shrink sharply after tax. Number 12. Tax-efficient dividends are usually simpler when the dividend classification is clear, whereas tax-heavy dividends may require more tax review and category checking. Number 13. Tax-efficient dividends may still be manageable when foreign withholding tax credits are available, whereas tax-heavy dividends can become more burdensome when extra withholding tax applies. Number 14. Tax-efficient dividends are best for investors who want to maximize after-tax wealth building, whereas tax-heavy dividends are best for investors who prioritize cash flow before considering tax impact. Number 15. Tax-efficient dividends are generally more efficient for preserving long-term returns, whereas tax-heavy dividends generally create a heavier tax burden on dividend income. In summary, tax-efficient dividends help investors keep more of their earnings and support better long-term compounding, whereas tax-heavy dividends may offer attractive income before tax but can reduce the final amount received after taxes. This video is for educational purposes only. Tax rules vary by country, account type, and personal situation, so always consult a qualified tax professional before making investment decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.